Hello everyone. So here's another recipe which is a very quick, very simple, easy recipe which we all make. That's the egg scramble or the egg Bhurji. Since we all know to prepare this easy dish, but I thought of sharing this recipe with you all. So I've taken a vessel and add oil in it. I mentioned all the quantities and the ingredients in the description box, so you can refer to that. Add some cumin powder, add onions finely chopped and braise it well. Let it become a little translucent. Add tomato and give it a nice good thorough mix. And once you mix it well and braise it with the oil, add some chilies. Green chilies finely chopped. Add some ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Add some salt. So all the measurements, the ingredients are mentioned in the description box, so you can refer to that. Add some red chilli powder and give it a nice good thorough mix. Add some garam masala and add some water. So I want this tomato to cook well, so it should not taste raw, so that's why I've added some water. Add some kasuri methi, that's dry fenugreek leaves. And once this masala is nicely cooked, I'm going to add the eggs. So I've added 6 whole eggs. So give it a nice good thorough mix on medium flame. You can also add a lot of veggies in this and herbs as per your taste and preference. So this egg scramble is ready. It's easy recipe and you can make a lot of variations by adding some chicken shreds. You can add mushrooms and a lot of veggies in this. So I'll be coming up with more variety of dishes, a lot of variation. So stay updated, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video.